Finally, a new standard for OA2, which means operations in algebraic thinking. You are going to multiply or divide, since we're working on multiplication this basically test, to solve word problems involving multiplicative comparison. So you will compare. But remember, when you're doing math, you will add, subtract, multiply, divide. But most of these problems, we will multiply or divide. Let's go. Okay, there are a lot of different ways that you can solve word problems. Again, as stated in previous recordings, do whatever your teacher teaches you. But I'll show you some tricks, and you can use cubes, other methods, and I have my own. Here we go. So it's for OA2. This is number 11. Let's just read the problem. Proper nouns, so names of people, Isabella and Lynette. So I like colors and highlighting. Use the blue for proper nouns so we can find out who the people are. You know you are doing math, so find the numbers. We have 4, 7, and then there's our possible answers. All right. Last one left, academic vocabulary. Let's read it 3 times. Isabella has 4 times as many DVDs as Lynette. Lynette has 7 DVDs. Select the number of DVDs Isabella has. Let's read it 2 more times. Isabella has 4 times as many DVDs as Lynette. Lynette has 7 DVDs. Select the number of DVDs Isabella has. Okay, we're not going to read it 3 times. I'm just kidding. Isabella has 4 times as many DVDs as Lynette. Lynette has 7 DVDs. Select the number of DVDs Isabella has. So we are comparing. Let's just write their names. I have Isabella. Isabella has 4 times as many as Lynette. Okay, I'm just going to write. Keyword is times. That's the order of operation. And there it is right there. So order of operations, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay? When you are doing math, you are doing one of those 4, maybe all 4, or maybe a couple for each problem. The most important word in here, going to write it really big, times. This is times. Isabella has 4 times as many DVDs, so I'm going to write 4 times as Lynette. How many does Lynette have? Lynette has 7 DVDs. Lynette. She has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Select the number of DVDs Isabella has. If Isabella has 4 times as Lynette, you would take 4 times 7. Okay. So the equation would come down here, 4 times 7, because she has 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Answer. All right. Now you can do it other ways. You could draw everything out and keep going more elaborate. Just go with the information that you have. Notice how I pulled out the 4 and I pulled out the 7. It didn't say anything that we were doing with Lynette. It said or stated that we had 4 times for Isabella versus Lynette. We know Lynette has 7. 4 times as much as 7 is 4 times 7, which is 28. Let's not put too much into this. That was 4 minutes. Of course, you can do this problem some other ways, and maybe down the road we'll have 2 or 3 different versions. But again, just pull out the numbers like we did here. Find the most important academic vocab word. You know that you're multiplying in almost all these problems, so let's multiply. Later.